too much to say. I got too much to hide. I got too much. I see the pain in my baby's eye. He gotta go from house to house. I gotta tell him.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Yamara. Today I'm gonna be doing my hair. Basically, I'm gonna be doing a top knot bun. So if you have, like, I guess my hair is type 4. Yeah, if you have type 4 hair, this is the video for you. Or curly hair in general, because yeah, we're just gonna get straight into the video. Alright, first thing, I gotta go fill this up, so I'll be right back. My hair looks a mess right now, but the rest of this video, I'm basically gonna do a voiceover. So basically you're just gonna watch me do my hair. I have a product in my hair. It's a leave-in conditioner. Now I gotta go get that. Give me 1 second. Oh my god, look at this. But this is the product I'm using right now. It's called Black Jamaican Castor Oil Leave-in Conditioner, and it has Jamaican castor oil and argan oil. So it's really good, very moisturizing. So yeah, I'm gonna get right into the video. Okay, so right now basically I'm just spraying my hair with water. You know, for us curly girls, we have to wet our hair, because if not, it's really, the style that you want is really not gonna come out right. But yeah, basically I'm just wetting my hair all around so I can get a nice sleek look. Then I'm adding some gel. I used the Wetline Extreme Gel. So yeah, just gonna put that all over the sides of my hair. Please don't mind that bald spot. When you wear fucking tight ponytails basically your whole life, that's what's gonna happen. So please give your hair a break, because I didn't. Next, I'm taking my brush and I'm just gonna brush all the sides. Yes, ma'am. Alright, now I'm just basically molding my hair into the ponytail. And as you can see, I'm doing it tight as hell again. I don't understand what is wrong with me. During the day, I'll eventually loosen my hair because I'll get a headache. But also another tip, you can oil your scalp basically before you put it in a top knot bun. That way the gel can cause less breakage, because you know, when you put your hair in a tight ponytail and the gel hardens, your hair can literally break if you put it in a tight ponytail basically. So yeah, oil your scalp, guys. Next, I'm just spraying my ponytail so I can bring the curls out. So yeah, y'all see the water literally just sitting on top of my hair. I also have to find out if I have what kind of hair I have, what type. Is it 4A, 4B? Please comment down below what you think, because I'm still trying to figure it out. But now I'm just basically brushing my ponytail out. I'm just gonna keep basically spraying and brushing it until I basically form my curls. So now I'm just gonna add another scrunchie on top of the other one so I can create like a ninja type look. So right now you're just gonna see me like try to fix it just to get it how I like. Basically my arms got tired, sorry guys. I'm telling you, curly hair is a work, but it's worth it in the end. Basically right now I'm just gonna pin my bun together. So I'm just gonna mold it into how I like and pin it in place. So now I'm just basically bringing out my edges. I just brush all of the front of my hair out basically. And I'm gonna be using the 24-hour edge tamer on my edges. It's literally the best edge control ever for us type 4 naturals. It literally holds your edges all day. But yeah, guys, I am so happy I dyed my hair burgundy because I don't know, it's just something different and I wanted to try something new, and this is my first time ever dyeing my hair, so it's definitely a change, but I love it. So now I'm just putting the product in and swooping. So now I'm just adding some got-to-be sprays just so my hair can just basically hold the whole day, and plus I like that extra hold. So yeah, now I'm using my scarf to lay it down. Yes, girl. guys, I am irritated because I basically had to go back and add this audio in because my video decided to act up on the last minute right when I'm decided to post. But yes, right now I'm just adding some bobby pins. And yes, thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys liked it. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your bell so that you're notified every time I post a new video. Again, thanks for watching. Bye guys.